Okay guys, we are in Ace Hardware. And we just need some PVC.
Alright, what's up YouTube? So today we're going to be making homemade blowguns. I'm going to show you step to step, 100% homemade. The things you're going to need for this is 1, scissors, 2, tape. You don't have to have spray paint, but I figured it'd look cool and metallic gold. Paper, super glue, nails, and PVC pipe. Now I went for the 2-inch nails and the 1/2-inch PVC, and about 4 feet. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. This intro's been long enough. Watch to the very end. Yeah, it's gonna be epic. So see you guys in a second. Basically, what I'm doing is I ripped a piece of paper off, grabbing the nail out, opening up the super glue for a second, and open up the super glue. Put some super glue right there. So once you have it, where it's like that, you stick it in. You get it right there where it's just barely fitting. Take it out just a little bit, and you do that. So I'm gonna spread that out just a little bit. Okay guys, first coat dry. Second coat on. Take 20-30 minutes to dry, I'm assuming, so I'm gonna set it right here. Let that dry. It's looking good so far though. It's gonna need a couple more coats, but
Okay guys, so we spray painted the PVC. It's not the best job, but I did it all in one day. And I redid the bullets because I cut them too short, so now they're just as wide as the pipe. Wrap the paper around now, super glue inside so impact, you know. But let's see how well she stands up. So I hope you guys saw that, and I'm not gonna move nothing, but went all the way through, so that's not really even putting much pressure behind it. So I can pretty much split that boy right there. Okay guys, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to drop a like down below. If you watch this video to the very end, you will much appreciate it. Please share this video for me. You guys are not fans, you guys are fam. With that being said, Team J Lee.